Balak mo ba mag-housing loan through Pag-ibig? Ito ang tatlong requirements na dapat meron ka bago mag-apply. Number 1. Active Pag-ibig member. Kailangan meron kang at least 24 months na contribution kay Pag-ibig Fund. Let's say naka 1 year ka pa lang, pwede ka naman mag-advance payment or lump sum para mahabol mo yung 24 months na contribution na required ni Pag-ibig. Number 2. May stable income. Pwede kang employee, OFW, virtual assistant, or self-employed. Basta meron tayong proof of income. Number 3. Age requirement. Dapat not more than 68 years old upon loan maturity. Kasi Pag-ibig, meron tayong maximum terms na 30 years. So kung ibabawas mo yung 30 years na terms sa 68 years old na required, kailangan bago ka mag 38 years old, maka-apply ka na sa Pag-ibig housing loan para ma-enjoy mo ang maximum terms ni Pag-ibig na 30 years. Gusto mo ba malaman kung qualified ka sa housing loan? Follow mo ang page na to para maturuan kita step by step.